China has successfully launched the Shenzhou 20 crewed spaceship. 神舟20号载人飞船发射取得圆满成功。
6、5、4、3、2、1，点火！起飞
！At 5:17 p.m. on April 24, 2025, China launched the Shenzhou 20 crewed spaceship, sending 3 astronauts to its orbiting space station for a 6-month mission. The spaceship, atop a Long March 2F carrier rocket, blasted off from the Jiguan Satellite Launch Center in northwest China. About 10 minutes after the launch, the spaceship separated from the rocket and entered its designated orbit. The astronauts are in good condition, and the launch of the Shenzhou 20 crewed spaceship is a complete success. The spaceship will then perform a fast automated rendezvous and docking with the Tiangong Space Station complex. The Shenzhou 20 crew will conduct an in-orbit handover with the Shenzhou 19 crew. The Shenzhou 20 crew, consisting of Mission Commander Shen Dong and astronauts Shen Zhongrui and Wang Ji, will undertake a range of tasks including space science experiments, application tests, extravehicular activities, and cargo handling. Their mission also involves installing protective devices against space debris and deploying and retrieving extravehicular payloads and equipment. They will also participate in science education, public outreach, and other onboard experimental activities.